What if you could own a business that people rely on during their most critical moments, no matter the economy? 1-800 Water Damage is a national property restoration franchise providing essential services for water damage, fire and smoke damage, mold, and biohazard cleanup. This is a recession-resistant business driven by real-world demand. Disasters, weather events, and infrastructure failures create non-stop need across both residential and commercial markets. Backed by the Belfor franchise group, the largest property restoration organization in the world, franchise owners benefit from deep industry expertise, strong brand credibility, and enterprise-level support. The model offers multiple revenue streams under one brand, insurance-driven work, and the ability to scale crews and operations over time. Comprehensive training is provided with ongoing coaching, marketing support, and operational guidance from day one. The initial total investment starts at $220,803. Inside the full info pack, you will see what other owners are typically earning and insights into the day-to-day operations of this business. Add 1-800 Water Damage to your top picks and request the info pack now.